Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you a website where you can earn money. So without further ado, let's get right into it. Sorry, my name is Anake Powell. Please like and subscribe and comment down below. So the website is timebuck, and I will leave a link in the description down below, guys. So go to Google, I'm going to click on timebuck. So guys, as you can see, because I already have an account, so here guys you will see your earnings. So we are going, this is our dashboard. So here they are telling us to complete a full survey from the tab exceeded the daily poll, complete 3 push click, complete 3 slideshow, 3 search, 6 tasks, and complete a click from the click tab. So here you have a referral link, so you can also do the same, refer people. And here you will see tasks that persons already complete in your area. So as you can see, you can just go ahead and click on it. You can see how much they earn. You can see how long ago they completed the task. So I'm just showing you around, guys. So here from the drop down you go to earning. You can see this is your survey. So you can see at least a survey you can complete. So you can also go here and click, so you get notified when a survey is on. So we're not going to do no survey, so let's go to content, because the survey they are very long, guys. You get a 30 question or more. So here we are going to go. We are not a robot, so they just want to know if we are human. So this saying, play the sound when the timer is finished. So you get like 1 cent. It said view the content for 5 seconds, guys. So let's see our earning. So we have $1, 2 cents, we have $1. So let's see. So we're going to view this content. And this is for 5 seconds. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But it don't finish load. And they say earn for browsing website, earn from tasks and game. So let's go back and see if yes, guys, see, we did get because I was at $1.206. So this is how you earn money, guys. So you have like engagement, push click, search, word tasks that you can complete. So let's go to engagement. So let's see what they said we're supposed to do. It's saying this task you will get paid towards specific YouTube video. This task can be fully automated as once the video starts, as long as it is focused. Please note that you can only cash out from this task as long as you have completed 4 times from the daily checklist from the dashboard or one of the full survey. If you do not complete this, you won't be able to get higher than 20 cents in pending earning, even if you watch more video. So you will be redirected at a third-party website called Engagement Hit, and then you will be promoted to register their email. You will land on their earning page that has very clear steps video and PDF tutorial on how to install the account web extension. Earn by watching video. You will get paid for each video watch. You will also gain 10 sweepstaker entry per video you watch. Each time you watch a video, the counter on the page will go up. You are limited to a maximum of 20 video views per day. That means the minimum you can earn is 20 cents per day. This is like small, guys, but if you don't have anything to do and all of that, you can just sit instead of scrolling on social media or something, and little by little it would all add up. So let us see exactly what this is all about. What if it's weird that they say that it's inappropriate?
So what is it's gonna be? First, go to Play Store. And then continue. I have had this already installed, so that's it. Install it first and then open. From the keyboard browser.
So this is one of the video, guys. Let's see when we go back. You must complete at least 4 items in the daily checklist from the dashboard, or just one fully survey from the survey tab in order to cash out your pending engagement. And guys, this pay on every Thursday, so you get cash out every Thursday for your, so it doesn't matter how much money you having their once. Alright, and the total amount they pay out is from $10. So if on Thursday you have $10 or more, it doesn't matter, they just automatically pay out the $10. So I think you can check it out, guys. I'll leave a link in the description down below. So here, let's show you let's see setting. Let's see if we can go to where we complete our tasks. Let's show you payment method. So guys, here is the list of payment method they have. You have AirTMN, you have Payoneer. So AirTMN is a format like almost you can use it for PayPal because they do not directly have PayPal. You have Payoneer, you have Litecoin, you have Bitcoin. So if you have a Bitcoin account, you can use it. So as you can see, it's a payment. Unfortunately, PayPal is not supported by our kind of site, but luckily there are many alternatives above. You can still receive payment in PayPal by signing up to AirTMN. Then once you receive fund there, just withdraw PayPal. However, the fee are higher to check, but as I said, guys, you have alternative where you can get your payment also. So let's go. I'm trying to find. So guys, this is a list of my tasks that I already run through because I just come to this site, so I'm just run through. So this is the list. So they show date, approve, they say complete. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 tasks so far, guys. So guys, I will leave a link in the description and you can just go ahead and just run through it for yourself and see. So this is a recommended for Purify Antivirus 7-day free trial. Sign up for a 7-day free trial using for the CD and you get $3, guys. So these are some other offer that will be displayed that you can get. So guys, check it out down below and stay tuned for my next video. I will also show you a next site where you can watch video for free and get paid. So guys, stay tuned, like, subscribe and comment in the comment section, and I will see you on the next video. So subscribe to my channel, guys, because I will show you tips on how to make money online. Thank you and see you